Yehlukene ke Imibono ngokuphasiswa komshwalense wezempilo i-National Health Insurance Bill noma i-NHI.
I don't know anything about the health insurance. I don't want to lie. I don't even know what it's all about. So maybe you guys can explain what it is.
Because of the Sagma election, bias promising things, but after election, I don't think it's private for free. It's unbelievable.
I think actually it's going to help a lot of people. It's going to be fair on more of them, and it's going to add more of equality on people. At this point, I think we just need to look at the positive side of it and hope for the best.
I can tell you that the real effect of this is that it just opens the floodgates for massive corruption. It's basically forming an Eskom for healthcare. So you can imagine all the sort of people who are just waiting to get their hands on this money, and it would likely destroy the private healthcare as well as won't fix public healthcare.